Please welcome Mr. and Mrs. Carlo and Jarella Bostre!
Si Carlo, na-meet ko siya sa UST. Alam ko sasabihin niyang crush ko siya, pero ako na magsasabi, siya talaga may crush sa akin.
Wala, na-realize ko lang na gusto ko siya dahil sa tawa niya. Free soul. So, makulit, nakakatawa rin. Goal-driven. Pag kung ano yung gusto niya mangyari, makukuha niya. Naman, nakuha niya ako.
Then from there, how we started, it was complicated.
8 years din kami.
That's why we chose this date then, kasi it's our 8th year together.
So, yun. Ito na tayo.
I have a personal letter written for you, for each of you.
Baka naman makaiyak ka na lang.
Jarella, did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your husband,
Yes, Father. Yes na yes.
Carlo?
Yes.
Invalid.
I wanna hold you closer. I wanna feel some kind of warmth. I wanna real love. I want real love.
Carlo and Jarella, you may now have your first kiss as husband and wife.
I wanna live for something. I want real love. I want real love.
Eto na, ready na ako talaga. Alam mo, kanina pa niya akong video call. Sabi ko, ito naman, miss na naman ako.
Oh, Carlo, this day is for you.
Salamat.
Finally.
So, this is a personal letter that yung pinaluyatan ko. Love you. Love you. Love you. So yes, excited na po ako kung tinatanong niyo po.
Dear Mutia, I've known you since 2014, but somehow you were already part of my story. There were times we even talked about not getting married. Honestly, our love felt enough, but here we are.
Yes, ito na. Sana okay lang siya. Excited na ako. Ito na.
Hi, hon. I can't believe we're finally here. From counting paydays each month, to weeks, to days. Now, I'm just a few steps away. Few seconds away from forever. All those time apart led us to this exact moment. And now, I finally get to walk toward you. It was worth every mile. Sana nakangiti ka, 'cause I'll be there in just a moment. And forever starts now.
I stand here knowing that loving you isn't just something I feel. It's a choice I make every single day. Lumaki ako sa Tahanan Village. Ibig sabihin ng tahanan ay home. Doon ko unang natutunan kung ano ang pakiramdam na may inuwian. Pero habang tumatanda ako, na-realize ko na ang totoong home ay hindi pala isang lugar. Siya pala tong tao. It's you. From 2018, today, tomorrow, always, and in all ways, I choose you.
I promise to choose you and to be your tahanan, the place where you can always come back to. I look forward to choosing you every day in all the season life brings. In every chapter we get to write together. No matter what lies ahead, whether the days are calm or the waves are rough, I promise I will stay. I will walk with you and I will choose you for all the chapters of our life, for the rest of my life. I will forever be your person. I love you, Mama. Chup chup.